I cannot wait to go camping. I bet it's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait to see my friends. I wonder what they're doing right now. What are the friends doing? I can't wait to see my best friend. She's gonna be so happy that I'm coming. Okay, so now we just have to get in the car and go and find my friend. Come on, let's go. Okay, and let's start driving. Yippee! Finally, we're here. This took ages. Let's get out of the car. Let's go find my friend. Make sure you guys have to come too. Come on, let's go. My friend should be around here somewhere. What are these? Ew. There you are. Hi, it's so great to see you again. I love you. I can't wait to go camping with you. I know it's going to be so much fun. Well, why don't we just get going? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're both in the car now. Let's drive. Weepee! Stuff. 20 minutes later. Here, now we have to do up all the stuff. I'm gonna go up all the stuff. You stay in the car right here. Okay. Are you serious? This is just so weird. I know. I didn't know it was gonna be so strange. Yeah. I think we should fix this up a little bit. Oh, you guys do not stop the video. Go to another one. Keep watching. We'll be back in a few minutes. Night time. I just had a great nap. I wonder what there is to eat. I love pizza. Yummy. Let's wake up my friend. Wake up! She's still asleep. I guess I'll just go back to sleep. I don't know. What's this? It's a weird owl backpack. Well, let's wake her up and go to the arcades. Wake up! We're going to the arcades! Fine. See you at the arcades, guys. Are you really serious that we're going to the arcades? It's probably still closed. It's really early in the morning. I'm sure it's open. Come on, let's go. Let's go and take a look inside. Come on, what are you waiting for? I'm going home. I guess to our camping place. Okay, suit yourself. Doon, doon, doon. I can't believe it. 2 o'clock in the morning? It's still bedtime. I can't believe she's going to the arcade that early. I'm going back to sleep. Can't believe she didn't want to go to the arcade with me. This will just take a look. Well, this place is really messy. Whoa. Didn't know it's gonna be this messy. I guess we can't really clean here because this is so messy. Oh. Yeah, I'm going home. My friend was right. Here we go. We're home. She's asleep. Let's go back to sleep. The next day. Guess it's home day. So I have to start packing up. Let's move this. Gonna wait with my friend. Just wake up. She's still asleep. See you when we're all packed away. Bye bye. Well, we're all packed away now. My sister, my friend, is still asleep, so I had to lift her up into the car. We'll see you when we get home, and I guess we're gonna have to say bye-bye, so bye-bye. See you next time. Let's go home. The end. Bye-bye. See you all next time. Stay sweet. Don't forget to be kind to each other. Love, peace. Bye-bye.